Let's solve this integral step by step. We need to integrate the square of sine x over 2 plus cosine x over 2 with respect to x. First, let's expand the square. Using the FOIL method, when we square sine x over 2 plus cosine x over 2, we get sine squared x over 2 plus 2 times sine x over 2 times cosine x over 2 plus cosine squared x over 2. Now let's use the Pythagorean identity. We know that sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. So, sine squared x over 2 plus cosine squared x over 2 equals 1. This means our integral simplifies to the integral of 1 plus 2 times sine x over 2 times cosine x over 2 with respect to x. Next, we can use the double angle formula. 2 times sine theta times cosine theta equals sine of 2 theta. So, 2 times sine x over 2 times cosine x over 2 equals sine x. This further simplifies our integral to the integral of 1 plus sine x with respect to x. Now we can integrate term by term. The integral of 1 is x. The integral of sine x is negative cosine x. And don't forget to add the constant of integration. Let's verify this is correct by looking at the graph of our original function and its antiderivative. And that completes our solution. The integral of sine x over 2 plus cosine x over 2 squared is x minus cosine x plus c.